I am going to add a pronunciation video to what I've already done because I'm realizing it was kind of lacking on some of the sounds that people have the most troubles with, and that would be the CH's, DH's, and GH's. So we're going to go over that quick on the cheap here, and hopefully this will be helpful. So let me switch the picture now. So a broad CH is a ch, lach, loman. We have that in English, just in that word lach. So it's the back of your throat. It's almost like you're coughing up some phlegm. So here are some examples. Ishtach, amach, lach, gebrach, like ere gebrach, Ireland forever. Chach, house. Now, a slender CH is a hard sound for a lot of people. It's kind of like a hiss. It's like you make a little tunnel with your tongue for the air to hiss through. If you know German, it's like the ich in standard German, right? So, sachistchen in the kitchen. Machaun. Notice the lengthening of the vowel because of the double letter there. Single syllable word. Hifimehu. I will see you. That's a dialect, but it's a good example. Notice the other ending. The DH ending is different. We're talking about the beginnings of words mostly. Well, with CH it works everywhere, but DH and GH, the endings and middles are going to be different things, which is a separate topic. All right, so here's another example. Hyanime. I bought, right? Neil ein heel aan. Hiss like a cat. Okay? All right, so those are the CHs. Now we do the DHs and GHs, which behave the same. You can interchange them, really. They sound exactly the same. A broad DH is like a gargle. Back of your throat. Ra, hyaun. There's those two sounds together. Ra, hyaun. Marohen. Rinne. Marine. There are different reasons why we get the lenition, and I'm just giving you different examples. Agra. Magra gyal. Notice that EA there isn't really an A so much in that word. Yeah, gyal. Marie. My prayer, my wish. And the slender ones are easy. It's like a Y. Mayilamar. Shemalech mayilamar. Okay. Lech, Laoch, is a good broad CH, by the way. Ayenev. So there's another example. So DH and GH. Slender is like a Y. Easy peasy. The other ones are a little harder. So practice them. Say them out loud. Practice them a lot. And they will make your Irish sound much better if you get them right. Slán.